Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to review another watch, but this one I would say that this is not something new watch or anything, but how to deal with the watches that you have damaged over time, and then you need to find some replacement parts. So, before I proceed with this HMT watch review, let me give a short disclaimer that this watch, in its entirety, all the parts are made by HMT, but this was not entirely a model segment. I bet you are confused, but let me tell you why. So this is the regular HMT Janata Devanagari model with the recently launched dial, that is the Janata Devanagari, but the imprints of the Devanagari scripts here are in blue color, apart from the earlier black and white or white on black type of thing of the dial, but this one was a recently launched one. So what happened that this one used to be an old HMT Janata Devanagari, the older model, with the black imprint on white dial. That is something very rare. But that particular watch I picked up in one old shop where there was no other spare dial available to replace the existing battered dial. So let me go to the details of the watch. Let me take out the strap. Let me take out everything here. And it comes out like this. So I will keep aside the strap. So as you can see that this is the Janata model, and here the case back, if you see, this is really very old case back. This is not something new. Okay, so this is the older type push fit case back, and this is the 512005 here, factory number 5, that is the Rani Bagh made watch here. So this is something really cool. I think around 2005 these models were launched. So what happened that it housed an earlier dial of Janata Devanagari, but I wanted to give this watch a upgrade, or not upgrade, I want to make it run because the movement was working perfectly, really good timekeeping. Rather, just the dial was something that was very damaged. So I contacted one of my friends, a very good friends that have helped me all these years in collecting watches, and it was none other than the HMT watches division itself. So what happened that I immediately called the HMT watches customer care and I sent them this photograph that I have this particular watch, but the dial is totally damaged. What can you do about this? They said that do not worry sir, just send the watch to us and we will replace the older dial with our new dial with the blue imprint one. Because at that time the blue imprinted Janata Devanagaris with the loomed hand were launched in the HMT watches website, on the HMT watches website, and people were really buying that. So I immediately sent it to them. And within 2 weeks after sending, I received a package with the replaced dial, as well as the original dial was kept aside, that I later sold to someone who needed that older version of dial. So this is the method how I brought back to life one another HMT legend. So would I say that this is a mix and match kind of thing? No, because nothing in this watch is an aftermarket kind of thing. Nothing. Even I don't won't say it is a fake or anything or some aftermarket or anything. No, an original Janata part has been fixed in a Janata watch. So this is what has happened here. So I am not going to portray this as 100% original HMT watch because one dial only has been replaced here. But this is something that if you find any beautiful gem and want to restore it, bring it back to life, so this is how it should be done. And I think that it doesn't matter whether the watch is very expensive one or very cheap one. It doesn't matter at all. So what you have here is matters that how much do you like this to get it back in its original glory. So everything in this watch is by HMT. The older case, movement, acrylic case back, crown, everything, just the newer version of the dial here. Nothing repaint, no mix and match, and totally restored. So thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe, and more videos are about to come, so stay tuned to the channel. Stay safe in this COVID pandemic, and we will be out from this pandemic soon, and we will be back with a bang again. So keep healthy, keep well, enjoy collecting watches. Bye.